Ever wonder why some conflicts just won't go away? There's a hidden reason most people miss, an industry secret that can transform your leadership. Welcome to our Saturday series, A Minute with Snehal, where we share insights on leadership. Let's uncover the root cause of conflicts and how you can identify them quickly and effectively. First, look at the surface issue. Often what people argue about isn't the real problem. Ask yourself what triggered the conflict. Dig a bit deeper to find patterns. Next, understand underlying needs. Conflict often arises from unmet needs or expectations. How do you do that? Listen actively. What do both sides really want? You might be surprised at what you find. Finally, consider the context. External factors like stress or environment can play a huge role. For this, evaluate the situation. Is there a recent change that could be affecting your team's dynamics? By identifying these root causes, you can resolve conflicts more effectively and create a harmonious work environment. Comment below with your biggest conflict challenge and let's tackle it head on.